Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video we'll be learning how to remove or delete your friends on Monopoly Go in 2024. So Monopoly Go is a very fun game where you press the big red button called Go, and it lets you play around this board where you can go on adventures, you can make other people bankrupt, you can buy houses, you can buy properties, and go on heists as well. So we'll learn how to remove your friends from this if you have some annoying friends. As you can see on the screen, I just got a new property from my friend. I stole it from him. So without further ado, let's get started on today's video. So go on the friends section on the bottom right and go to the leaderboard. There you can see I have a friend, but I want to remove him. So click on the big red remove button. There comes a pop-up again asking you if you want to remove it or not. So you click on yes, and this way your friend is removed from your leaderboard. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.